It's the fact that this was my first time doing quick weave on myself, and it turned out like this.
Nightmares turn into a dream. If you're so toxic to me, what am I feeling? Cause I thought it was over. Got me thinking my feelings over. You keep doing it over and over. You keep calling me back. I'm just trying to get...
Hello my YouTube love. So yes, we're hopping straight into the video. What you need to do is make sure you have an even part, and you need to make sure your hair in the back is all braided, because you're going to be putting a wig cap over that, and you're going to be spraying it with Got2b glue. As you can see that I'm blow drying it just to make sure that it is hard in the back, because that's where we're going to be applying the tracks. Lastly, I do have my ponytail out and some edges out because I just know I'm going to be putting gel on those. I also have gotten this hair. It's a bunch of bundles, 22, 20, and 18 for about $16.99. Miss Origin. What you're going to be doing is getting your glue that you are going to be putting on the back of your wig cap. After this, all y'all are doing is putting glue on a track, and then y'all are just applying it to the back of your head. Real easy.
I'm outside in an AMG. Right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dolls that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, high that they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG. Right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, right at it die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I just caught a shorty off a Finsta. Just the one I'm really, it's a screenshot. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things have started getting pissed off. Think we need to have a sun adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now, see my heart turn to chrome. Rather see my heart.
Okay y'all, so now we getting somewhere. I have put all of my tracks covering up my part. Now all I'm going to do is go ahead and start cutting around that wig cap that is left out, because now I'm opening that part up for my ponytail that I will be wrapping the next bundle around.
Return crystal. I can't even front like I don't miss you. Right now I'm just stuck inside the crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, PT, two-turn.
After I'm done cutting my wig cap, I do go ahead and start parting some of my real natural hair to go over the tracks, because I don't want the tracks showing. You don't need the tracks showing, so we need to cover them up with our real hair.
Baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, right at it die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn baby girl, you know me.
I'm outside in it.
Right outside, PT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, right at it die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn baby girl, you know me.
Next, what I'm going to do is go ahead and braid my ponytail, and I'm only doing this because we are going to wrap the bundle around the tiny braid. We do need to make this look like a real ponytail, so that's why you need to make sure you braid your ponytail.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside.
Next, what you're going to do is just go ahead and get some of your elastic band, and you're just going to put that around your ponytail. As y'all can see, I glued it, and I'm just putting a little bit of glue on top of the other paper and wrapping it around my hair. You can do this if you want to glue your tracks onto your hair, or you can just do it the easy way and just do rubber band method and go ahead and hook a bobby pin up to your ponytail. But after that, it should look like this. After that, I'm getting my 18, and I'm just going to wrap this around my ponytail just so it can make that half up, half down look.
Two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dolls that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, high that they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, PT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. a shorty off of Insta. Just threw on a hoodie, it's a crenshaw. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things have started getting tense up. Think we need to have a sun adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now I would rather see my heart turn to chrome. Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even front like I don't miss you. Right now I'm just stuck inside the crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, PT. 2-turn, baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas round me, ride or die. Gotta watch your time, cause it's flying right by. 2-turn, baby girl, you know me.
I'm outside in it.
I really hope you guys enjoyed this quick tutorial. I hope you guys are ready to try this style. Again, this was my first time doing this, so if I can do it, y'all can definitely do it. Enjoy. See you guys on the next video. Bye.